Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me on another episode of Plugin Development. This episode of Plugin Development is not going to be focused on the RPG. It's going to be focused on an entirely different plugin instead. In this video, I'm going to make the ultimate of Ekko from League of Legends. So, for anyone who doesn't know what this is, Ekko's ultimate is an ability that allows him to travel 4 seconds into the past. Any enemies in the area that he rewinds to will take massive damage. Plus, when he rewinds, he heals for a flat amount and also an additional amount for the amount of damage he took in the past 4 seconds. And I don't know what it is, but I just think his ultimate looks so cool, and I think it's such an interesting concept. So I decided to recreate it in Minecraft by creating a plugin. The way that this is going to work is every tick at the player's location, an armor stand is going to be spawned. When spawned, a timer will start for this armor stand. When this timer reaches 81, the armor stand will be removed. The timer increases every tick, and there are 20 ticks in a second, so this leads to 4 seconds. The reason I use 81 and not 80 is for 1 tick of leniency when the timer starts and stops. I have decided that when a player moves an iron sword from their main hand to their offhand, this will trigger the ultimate. The ultimate is also very simple. I will just teleport the player to the armor stand with the highest tick value. I will also make the clone that follows the end of the 4-second trail. Then, after that, it's just a matter of healing the player and damaging nearby entities. Whenever the player is damaged and is able to use their ultimate, I will store the amount of damage that they took for up to 4 seconds. If they use their ultimate within those 4 seconds, they will heal for a percentage of that amount. Here you can see the complete and final version of the code. I would like to explain it all, but unfortunately there is just too much to explain, so I'll just show it all instead. I'm going to spawn particle effects at every armor stand, but because I can only spawn one every 20 seconds, you can see a small gap. I'm going to fix this by creating a vector between each armor stand and displaying a line of particles. The armor stands are invisible and marker, so you will never interact with them. So, the plugin is now complete. When I run this command, it begins. All I have created is the ultimate, but the ultimate is cool enough. I could just watch this for hours. So it works just like Ekko's ultimate, in that when I swap this iron sword to my offhand, like this, but with this item, I will swap to that powered creeper, as you can probably tell. Pretty neat, right? Let's see it in action. Oh, I love it so much. It does have a 30-second cooldown. I'm imagining that this is Ekko full build, where everything does the most damage, healing, cooldown, etc. Everything is as good as it can be. You can see it's already back again. It's very difficult to see it, but I do have little clone lookalikes that spawn. You saw them there. They're not actually creepers, they're just particle effects, but I saw it actually does that on Ekko's ultimate. You can see them briefly. I try to recreate everything as much as I can and as precise as I can, so it's almost like the original. So it also does damage too. Let me just get it a little bit closer. Oh, it's running away. Come on, stand still, darn you! Alright, I know what I'll do. There you go, you can see it briefly. It did do damage. It does 10 damage, half of most entities' health, which is... yeah, Ekko's ultimate does a lot of damage. So if I give myself instant damage, I'm going to have my health bar drop somewhere around here. And you can see when I use the ultimate, I heal up a lot of that health. because I followed the same damage mechanic where you heal for the amount of damage that you took, or a percentage of it. Here I took 12 damage, and I healed up. It's gonna be somewhere around 10, I think it would be. Yeah, 10 or so. That's how much I healed for. Ah, I love it. I can use it all day. Hello? Yeah, that's, this is something you don't want to see. So, yeah, I'm gonna fix this real quick. That has been fixed. I had a slight issue where I was not clearing the health to heal. So that was very bad. I would heal over max health. You do not want that. For some reason, I have just noticed I don't heal at all. 1 second again. Now everything should be in order. If I wait 5 seconds, that'll go away. Or 4 seconds. Yep, now it's gone. But I still heal up. And it no longer breaks. That's just about everything that I have for this plugin. So thank you all so much for joining me on this different version of plugin development. Hopefully you all enjoyed, and I will hopefully see you in my next video, so, if I will, see you there, I'll be waiting.